Hello students, a very good evening to one and all present here and welcome to Enlightened Educators. So today we are having a discussion with respect to the topic that is flip-flop, and we are going to discuss with respect to master slave. What I can say, the flip-flop, that is master slave SR flip-flop and master slave JK flip-flop, that is model number 3. Actually I had told you that I would be taking with respect to the I would be taking with respect to the PLD, that is programmable logic devices. But what is that going to happen is that, so I did not take that because that was not of much importance, and you had many other topics which is very important. So which I told you already, that is your, what I can say, look ahead carry adder or carry look ahead adder. And the second thing is your comparator, that is 2-bit magnitude comparator or the 2-bit comparator, both is the same. And the third one, it is nothing but your decoders, and the fourth one is nothing but your multiplexers. So all the four concepts are important, wherein a ನಾಲ್ಕು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. And if you can consider with respect to the adder and the subtractor and the multiplexer and the PLD, it has been rarely asked. Okay na? Yes. So that is why I did not take that into consideration, and today we are going to have master slave flip flop, that is starting from model number 3, that is the master slave flip flop. Okay, so actually I had made a video on this, but unfortunately that video is not in working now. Like a video open ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ try ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ I am redoing it again all for you students. ತುಂಬಾ detail ಆಗಿತ್ತು. It was a video for I hope 1 hour. So open ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ there are many risks that we have to take to do for you all. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ಗಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. I just tried many a times to open it, but it's not opening, and I just tried with many methods also, to be frank. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗದಿರೋ ಕಾರಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನನ್ನ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ, ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಗಾಟ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, like, share and subscribe and share it to many more who are in need, and please do press the bell icon to get more and more updates on our channel. And ನೀವು ಬೇಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ, ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋರು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 100% ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿರೋವಂಥದ್ದು. ನಾನೇನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ದಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ taken many important topics into consideration, and I'm doing according to that. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, and to make sure that you excel in the examination, we are having this methodology for the subjects which we handle, and please to make sure that you follow it without fail. Okay, so ನೀವು ಖಂಡಿತ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಂಬಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಬೇಗ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ಗ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವಂತ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ಬೇಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And if examination ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ if you feel it, then it's a waste. I'm sorry, then it's a waste, because ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೊರ್ಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇವಾಗಿಂದಾನೇ ಬೇಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಕಣ್ಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ, ಎನ್ಲೈಟೆಂಡ್ ಎಡ್ಯುಕೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ವೆಲ್ಲಾಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮಿಷನ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಮಿಷನರಿ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಯರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಗ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮೊಳಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮೊಳಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು 10 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೆಲ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಯೋಚನೆನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ and coming on to digital system design using Verilog, that is master slave flip flop. So this is also called as pulse triggered flip flop. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ without wasting much time. So in addition to latches, there are two other general categories of flip-flop. These are the master slave flip-flop and the edge triggered flip-flop. So edge triggered flip-flop ಮತ್ತೆ master slave flip-flop ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಎರಡಿದೆ. So master slave flip-flop is a pulse triggered flip-flop, and what I can say are JK flip-flop, that is master slave SR flip-flop is an edge triggered flip-flop, whereas their master slave JK flip-flop is a master slave SR flip-flop is a pulse triggered flip-flop, whereas your master slave JK flip-flop is a edge triggered flip-flop. Okay, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂತದ್ದು SR flip-flop, that is pulse triggered, and JK flip-flop is nothing but your edge triggered flip-flop. Okay, yeah. So now here you can see that so it is observed, and these things you don't need. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So I just tell you what is this in a clean and a neat manner. So a master slave flip-flop consists of two cascaded sections, each capable of storing a binary symbol. The first section is referred to as the master and the second section is referred to as the slave. First section is master, second section is the slave. Okay. The information is entered into the master on one edge or the level of a control signal and is transferred to the slave on the next edge or level of the control signal. Okay. So ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so master slave flip-flop ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು cascaded section ಇದೆ. So one cascaded section is nothing but each cascaded section is capable of storing a binary symbol, and the first section is referred to as the master and the second section is referred to as the slave. Right, and whatever the information you enter into the master on one edge will be transferred to the slave onto the other edge, or I can say that each section is a latch. Okay, I hope you got the point. And now let's come to the master slave flip-flop in detail. So ನಾನು already last video ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. So the same thing is getting continued. So here you can see that, so this is the diagram for the master slave flip-flop and as well as the control signal diagram. So ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, it is nothing but you're supposed to it is nothing but what is that you have to do is you're supposed to write these two diagrams in the beginning. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗೆ ನೀವು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ you have to write it on the beginning itself. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್. ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಬರೀ ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅ neat manner and how to write it in an organized way so that you can impress your evaluator. ಹೌದಾ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮೆಥಡಾಲಜಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ರೀಸನ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಈ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಥಿಯರಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆನೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಒಂಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ಲಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ದ what I can say required. ಹೌದಾ, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ್ದೇ ತರ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಿದೆ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್-ಫ್ಲಾಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ದ ಒರಿಜಿನಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್-ಫ್ಲಾಪ್ has been met by that content. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿನೇ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಸುಧಾಕರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ಯುಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಸುಧಾಕರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ಯುಲ್. ಸೊ ಸುಧಾಕರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ಯುಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್, ಆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದೇ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ನ ನೀವು ಬರೀಲಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರ್ಸೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ತೋರ್ಸೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನು ಈ ತರದೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ರೈಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್. ಹೌದಾ, So whatever the content has been present in the textbook, you just write that without fail. So hagagi I'm trying to show you whatever the content is present in the textbook and what you have to write on that and how to write in an organized and a neat manner so that you can crack your examinations. How the organized and neat manner. So organized and neat manner is a very important point that you have to follow while writing your examination, or else you will not crack your examination in a neat manner, because they want your content and they want how the content is represented in an organized manner and a neat manner, and they want answer to the point. They don't want anything else. So if you write answer to the point, it is very well and good. If you write more than answer to the point, it is also good. But what's that going to happen is the time is killed, and if you want to save your time, just try to answer to the point whatever the question is given, right? So this is what is I'm trying to tell you. And if I consider master slave flip flop, okay, so ಇವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬೇರೆ ತರನೇ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಫ್ಲಾಪ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೀಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಆಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಫಾರ್ more and more content. We are working hard for you. We have come up with a very good initiative because our initiative was a very good initiative. So ನಮ್ಮ initiative ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ initiative ಆಗಿದೆ, and I also know that how people suffer in engineering, right? Now it is going on well. So before it was not that good, but now it is getting improvised. ಸೊ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವೈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಓದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ, ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ take up any other tutorials or you just go to somewhere and you don't even get adjusted there also. So ಸುಮಾರು ತೊಂದರೆಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So all this I am going to eradicate by teaching you all the concepts in a very good and neat manner, so that you don't require anything. Just our videos are the best, right? It is not me telling. If you watch it, you will get to know. Fine. Now, yeah. So now let me start with this particular. So I hope that this video gets recorded well, and you will be releasing it soon. Okay. Yeah. So the figure 6.12a shows the master slave SR flip flop as constructed from two gated SR latches and an inverter. So this is said to be I'm very sorry for the distraction. Wait a minute. Okay. So this is what I can say, the two SR flip flop and to SR flip flop, and this is what is your inverter, right? I hope you're getting my point. This has been latches. I'm sorry, these two are the latches. I'm very sorry for the distraction. So these two are the latches. So here SR flip flop, that's the master slave SR flip flop, is being constructed by using a two SR latch. So this is SR latch. I'll write it so that you will get it. Two SR latch two SR latches. This is also the same, students, right? Two SR latch, and this is an inverter. So inverter is nothing but from the clock you are going to get an additional connection or a bypass connection, and you are going to give it an inverter, and from the inverter it's going to get connected to this particular clock of the second SR latch. Fine. Okay. So now what's that going to happen is I'll just tell you what to write and what not to write. Okay. Yeah. So the information input lines is said are used to set and reset the flip flop. So one the flip flop na set and reset madlike we are making use of this S and R, right? This is set and reset. I hope you're getting my point out. And a clock signal C is applied to the control input line. The timing behavior of the master slave flip flop is reference to the control signal. So you are going to apply a clock signal C to the control input line. You clock signal C na yen martidra, you are going to apply it to the controlled input line. You yen martidra, controlled input line ge apply marta idira, and then the timing behavior of the master slave flip flop, there it is being reference to the control signal. So this behavior is listed in figure 6.12b. That is, if you what I can say, reference the timing behavior of the master slave flip-flop to the control signal, then the behavior you can see it in 6.12b, that is this particular behavior of the control signal. Okay, yeah, and so here, okay, the transition of the control signal from its low to high state, that is 0 to 1 on positive logic, is called as the rising leading or the positive edge of the control signal, while the transition of the control signal from its high to low value, that is 1 to 0 and positive logic, is called the falling, trailing or negative edge of the control signal. What does that mean actually? What is the rising edge and what is the falling edge? Okay, yeah. So let's see. So here it is. Here this is a control signal and now your control signal is in zeroth state, right? Here you can see that your control signal is in zeroth state, right? So from the zeroth state it is making a transition to 1, right? It's making a transition from 0 to 1. This I can also call it as my RAM signal according to the signals, right? Signals alli nan RAM signal hege anta helkottide ade ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yes. So this is a RAM signal, students, and this RAM signal means that it is making a transition from 0 to 1, and the control signal which is making a transition from 0 to 1, which I can call it as a rising edge or positive edge, and this is what is a negative edge, which means that, so here you have 1 here when it's making a transition from 1 to 0, which I can call it as my falling edge or my negative edge, right? This is rising edge. Just a minute, I'm very sorry for the distraction. Okay, so this is what is the falling edge. Fine. Okay, so now what is that going to happen is that, so the next thing is, so here, okay, yeah, everything is over in this. So in this, what is supposed to write is, as I have written these two diagram in the beginning, that is, this is the first diagram we have written in the beginning, and this is the second diagram we have written it in the beginning. So what is that going to happen is that, so here you can see that you have to start from here. That is, the figure shows the master slave SR flip-flop. So don't write the 6.128 is according to the textbook, right? So figure shows the master slave SR flip-flop as constructed from two gated SR latches and an inverter. This is your point number 1, which you have to write in the beginning. Right? Okay. So ಎರಡು diagram ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂತ theory ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. So I'm not speaking anything else. Okay? Yeah. And the information input lines S and R are used to set and reset. ಇದೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is your point number 2. Okay? Yeah. I'm just marking it. So ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದೇ ತರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯುವಂತ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದೇ ತರ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಸೂನ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಂಬಿದೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಅದಾಗ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಸಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಶೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಅಂಡ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡದಿದ್ದಾಗ ಪಾಪ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು 10 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಅವರು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ದನ್ ಇನಫ್, ರೈಟ್? ಎಸ್. And this is what I can say here, this particular, so see here, this is 3. Okay, and here this is what is my okay. So idralli ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, I just tell you there is some glitch here. So idralli ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. I'll just tell you this here. Okay, right till here this is 3, and here you have to write this, okay na. So here, okay na, point number 4, fine. Now so let me tell you this part, okay. So referring to figure 6.2, as long as c is equal to 0, the master being a gated SR latch is disabled and any changes on the S and R input lines are ignored. At the same time, the slave is enabled due to the presence of the inverter. Hence, the slave is in the same state as that of the master, since the QM and QM bar outputs of the master are connected to the S and R inputs respectively of the slave. So, what is this telling you? What is this telling you is that, so here you can observe that I'll just erase this because I need a clean thing to do, teach you all. So now here you can see that, so this is what as my clock C, which is equal to 0. So now as my clock C is equal to 0, what is that going to happen is your master, that is SR, first SR latch will get disabled. That's a master SR latch will get disabled, right? Why it gets disabled is because, so see here your clock is equal to 0. So that is why it gets disabled. And what is that going to happen is that a slave gets enabled. Why a slave gets enabled is because, as you can see, that there is an inverter present. So when you have your clock is equal to 0, when you do the clock is equal to 0 directly to the master SR latch. This is master SR latch and this is slave SR latch. Master SR latch ಗೆ direct ಆಗಿ ನೀವು 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ master disable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು 0 ನ inverter ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ that will get reversed and it will give you the output as 1, wherein you write it as 1 over here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. So that 1 is nothing but is equal to, what I can say, that 1 is nothing but is equal to your clock input to the slave SR latch. Okay, yeah. And so now this is what is one thing, and now your slave becomes, clock input for the slave becomes equal to 1, and the next thing is that whatever the state that is being present in the master, the same state will be carried to the slave. Why it is carried to the slave the same state is because you can see here that the QM and the QM bar, whatever you get the output, you know, that is being connected to the S of the slave SR latch and R of the slave SR latch respectively. So therefore the slave state and the master state will be the same, right? You got it right. A clock is equal to 0, your master is disabled, your slave is enabled, and a slave is enabled because when you give it to the inverter, 0 will become equal to 1, and you can also see that the state of the master and the slave is the same, right? Okay, state of the master and slave is the same, right? Yeah. And so now the next thing is that, so see the same thing is given here, students, you can see here. Okay, see the slave is enabled due to the presence of the inverter, hence the slave is in the same state as that of the master, since the QM and QM bar output of the master are connected to the S and R input respectively of the slave. So ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಏನು ಅಂತ. So as the okay, so as the control signal starts to rise, the slave was disabled by design at time t1, while the master remains disabled. Thus the slave becomes disconnected from the master but retains the state of the master. The control signal continues to rise at the time t2 the master is enabled. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. So now you get a state which is called as a rising edge, or what I can say are positive edge, right? So ಈಗ ನೀವು positive edge ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What happens when you come to the positive edge? So when you come to the positive edge at a time t1, here what I can say, the master gets, what I can say, master gets disabled and slave gets disabled. ಇವಾಗ slave enable ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, so enable ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ slave ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, so it has been rising. So ನಿಮಗೆ rise ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So see here you can see that it has been rising from 0 to 1. 0 ಇಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಗೆ transition ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So when it is having a transition from 0 to 1, I will show to you again. Please see here. So when there is a transition from 0 to 1, see I have drawn a line, okay. This is a transition from 0 to 1. So what is that going to happen is that the slave get disabled, because if the master input is 1, then the slave input will become equal to 0. So therefore a slave is getting disabled and the master is also getting disabled. So master ಏನು disable ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ beginning ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೇನೆ master ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ disable ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, slave ಒಂದು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ disable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The slave which is getting enabled will get disabled again. Right? So you have to remember that at the rising edge and the falling edge, whatever I showcased to you, so the master and the slave both are disabled. If anybody asks a question, say one is your master and slave disabled together. That is, you have to tell the answer that it is at the rising edge or the positive edge and the falling edge or the negative edge. Right? ಈ ಎರಡು ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, yeah, what I can say, the your master, sorry, what I can say, master and slave gets disabled. Okay. So now let me come to the next one. So the control signal continues to rise and it is a time 2 that the master is enabled. Time 2 T2 nalli master enable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And while the C is equal to 1, the master being a gated SR latch responds to the input on the SNR lines, which we have discussed in section 6.2. Meanwhile, since the slave was disabled due to the presence of the inverter and any change in the state of the master is not reflected to the slave. Okay, yeah, till here I'll explain what is the Santa. So now at a time T3. Now at a time T2, here you can see that the master is getting enabled. Your master is getting enabled, the slave is getting disabled because slave is having an inverter. So if your master is 1, the slave will become equal to 0. And the master responds to any of the changes on S and R, that is set and reset. And you can see that, the slave is getting disabled and any changes on the master will not get applicable to the slave. ಏನೇ master ಅಲ್ಲಿ change ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, slave ಗೆ ಅದು effect ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Right? It doesn't get affected to the slave because the slave was disabled. Okay. Yes, I hope you're getting my point. That is what was told here. See, master is enabled while C is equal to 1, master being a gated SR latch responds to the input on S and R lines. Any changes are respond ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And since the slave is disabled due to the presence of the inverter, any change in the state of the master is not reflected to the slave. That is what as I told you. Right? And the control signal is subsequently returned to its low level at time T3. Time T3 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಮತ್ತೆ low level ಗೆ ಬಂತು. So when it is coming to the low level, I have already told you it is the same for the falling edge, that is, a slave is already disabled, that continues, and now newly the master get disabled. Slave already disable ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it will get disabled again. Right? ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? Yes. And okay, time at this time the master is disabled, causing it to latch on to its new state. Master disable ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it will latch on to its new state. Right? However, it is not until time T4 that the slave is enabled. Time T4 ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, slave enable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Your master again gets disabled because it is 0 ಅಲ್ವಾ. So it is 0. So ಯಾವತ್ತು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ disabled ಅಂತ, 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ enabled ಅಂತ. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವೆರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಫ್ಲಾಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ SR, what I can say, ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ SR ಲಾಚ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ 0. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾವತ್ತಿಗೂ 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾಸ್ಟರೇ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಡಿಸೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Right? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಒಂದಿದ್ದಾಗ slave disable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. That is what I am trying to tell you. Right? And this results in the slave taking on to the state of the master as the connection is made. So connection ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, connection ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the slave will take on the state of the master. And one more thing I forgot to tell you here, you can see that, so when your master is enabled, the slave get disabled, and when the slave get disabled, there is no connection between the master and the slave. That has been told here. You can see that. Wait a minute, I saw somewhere here. Okay, here students, I'm sorry, not here, it is here. Okay, It is here. I'm sorry, that is why I thought something is missing. Okay, yeah. So see here, the slave becomes disconnected from the master but retains the state of the master. That means what is that going to happen here? You can see that during the rise time, so master is also getting disabled. I told it wrong, I guess. I'm very sorry. So the master is what I can say the disabled and the slave is disabled. So what is that going to happen is that, so what's that going to happen is that, so the slave and the master connection will get disconnected and the slave will have the state of the master, right? ಯಾವತ್ತಿಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಾಲಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ದು ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ನ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಫಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡಿಸೇಬಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆನಾ, ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್. ಓಕೆ, that is what they have told it over here. See, at this time the master is disabled, causing it to latch on to its new state. So the new state ಗೆ latch on ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಡಿಸೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ದು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ. So time T4 a slave is enabled and this results in the slave taking on the state of the master as the connection is made. Connection ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, slave ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it will take the state of the master. Slave ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, master state ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ and when the connection is made, ಅವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ connection ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And it's important to note that for very short period during the rising and the falling edge of the control signal, both the master and the slave latches are disabled. Master ಮತ್ತೆ slave latch ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, it is getting disabled. This is critical to the operation of a master slave flip flop. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ master is getting c is equal to 0. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, don't go into any complexity. c is equal to 0 ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೈ ಹೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬೇಗ ಓದ್ಬೋದು, ಬೈ ಹೆಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ when your clock is equal to 0 your master is disabled and the slave is enabled. When your clock is equal to 0 your master is disabled and the slave is enabled. And the second thing is that, so what I can say, whatever the state of the master is present, the same state the slave will occupy, right? And the second thing is that when there is a transition from 0 to 1 transition adag enagutte, so the master is disabled and the slave is disabled and they both occupy the same state. But what is that going to happen is that there is no connection between the master and the slave. And once again when your c is equal to 1, that is the clock is equal to 1, so what is that going to happen is that, what's that going to happen is that your master is enabled, your once again a slave is disabled, and what is that going to happen is that, so the master will respond to the any input on the S and R that has been given to the S and R, and what's that going to happen is that your slave was disabled, so therefore whatever the changes that happens to the master will not get reflected onto the slave, right? And the fourth thing what is that going to happen is that when your c is equal to 0 again, that is it get transition from 1 to 0. So what is that going to happen is that once again your master is disabled and the slave is disabled, and what I can say, your master is disabled and that will latch on to its new state ke latch on agutte, ade state retain madodilla. And at the time t4 once again, that is when c is equal to 0 again, c is equal to 0 adag enagutte, so the transition from 1 to 0. Now when c is equal to 0 your slave was enabled and the master is disabled again, right? And you need to know that during the shorter period, that's the transition from 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, which I can call it as my rising and falling edge respectively, the master and the slave is disabled together. But ನಿಮ್ಮ falling edge ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ master state slave state ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, master will latch on to its new state. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನೇನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಆದಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಟಿಲ್ ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಅಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ 2-3 ಲೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಬರೀರಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವಿಂದ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದದೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ರೆಫರಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಿಗರ್ 6.12. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, as we look at the figure, as long as c is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಿಗರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ till here this is 0.1 and from here till what I can say here it is point number 2, that's the transition part, and from here the control signal till what I can say here. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಏನದು, that is your what I can say the c is equal to 1. so ಹಾಗಾಗಿ this is point number 3, and from here till what I can say here it is point number 4. this is also once again the transition from 1 to 0, and from here till here what I can say the point number 5, and from here till here it is point number 6. ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಒಂದೊಂದನ್ನೇ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ c is equal to 0, then transition from 0 to 1, once again then transition, then it is c is equal to 1, ಮತ್ತೆ once again transition from 1 to 0, and once again your c is equal to 0 ಬರೀಬೇಕು. this is what is your c is equal to 0. c is equal to 0. this is t for transition from 0 to 1. this is c is equal to 1, point number 3, and this is transition from 1 to 0, and this is c is equal to 0. ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, and this is a general this thing point. okay, yeah. And now let me come to this, and remember ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನ ನಾನು ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ, ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಸೊ now let me have this. okay, let me continue. It should be observed that although the master can change its state at any time while the control signal is 1, so it's only at the control signal goes to, it is only as the control signal goes from 1 to 0 that the slave changes its state, right? master ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. master will change the state at any point of time while your control signal is 1. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ 1 to 0 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ, 1 to 0 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ತನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ವೈಲ್ ದ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಇಸ್ 1. ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ತನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಬಂದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಷನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ 1 to 0 your slave changes its state. okay na, thus the output change of the master slave flip-flop is synchronized to the falling edge of the control signal. master slave flip-flop ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವಂತ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it is synchronized to the falling edge of the control signal. okay, yeah. and now let's see with respect to this particular table, right? ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗೀತು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So figure 6.12c, the table which is been over here. okay, yeah. So the pulse symbol in the C column indicates that the master is enabled while the control signal is high, and that the state of the master is transferred to the slave. ಹೌದಾ? So pulse symbol in the C column ಏನಿದೆ, this pulse symbol in the C column is nothing but what it is going to tell you is that the master is enabled while the control signal is high, and that the state of the master is transferred to the slave. master ಅವಾಗ enable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, control signal high ಇದ್ದಾಗ master enable ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ, and the state of the master is transferred to the slave. master the state ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, it is once again getting transferred to the slave. okay na, yeah. and correspondingly to the output of the flip-flop at the end of the pulse period, and it will correspondingly to the output of the flip-flop at the end of the pulse period. pulse period end ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it will get shifted to transfer to the output of the flip-flop also, right? master state ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, slave ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, slave ಇಂದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, output of the flip-flop at the end of the pulse period. okay, yes. and special attention should be given to the fourth row of the function table. This is the fourth row of the function table wherein you're going to give the special attention to. Why it is because, so this row corresponds to the situation of both S and R being 1 when the control signal goes from high to low. So ನಿಮ್ಮ control, what I can say the control signal ನಿಮ್ಮ high to low ಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ, so S and R ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, it is getting equal to 1. This is the condition wherein there is a transition. The control signal is having a, I'm sorry, please wait. Control signal is having a transition from 1 to 0. So the S and R outputs will be 1. Right? That is what is the condition which is being told over here. And okay. So since the master is a latch, it enters an unpredictable state. Master latch agadrinda enagutte, it will enter an unpredictable state, including the possibility of the metastable state. Unpredictable state athwa metastable state antanu helbodu. This state values then subsequently transfer to the slave. ಈ state value na ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, we are subsequently transferring to the slave. This state values then subsequently transferred to the slave, right? And hence the output of the master slave SR flip-flop itself become unpredictable. So master slave flip-flop, the SR flip-flop though output ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, it will become unpredictable, right? Yeah. Such a condition should be avoided. I hope you got it. What is the fourth row? Fourth row nalli S and R 1 irutte. Yavaga when there is a transition of a control signal from 1 to 0, and what is that going to happen is that since the master is a latch, so then it will go to unpredictable state, or what I can say the this one, that's the metastable state, and this state value subsequently transferred to the state. Hence the output of the master slave flip-flop itself become unpredictable. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so such a condition should be avoided, right? Yeah. Since the behavior of the master slave flip-flop constructed from latches is dependent upon the rising and falling edge of the control signal as well as the period of time in which the control signal is high, they are also referred to as the pulse triggered flip-flop. So pulse triggered flip-flop ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, in master slave flip-flop which is constructed from latches, they depend upon the rising and falling edge of the control signal. Rising ಮತ್ತೆ falling edge of the control signal ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ದ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈ, ಯಾವ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಹೈ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so this is what is called as my pulse triggered flip-flop. I hope you got the point. Okay. And the two logic symbols, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ. So this is what I have already told you. See, it is nothing but is equal to what I can say here, master flip-flop is high at what, master is high at what I can say the C is equal to 1 and the C is equal to 1, and what I can say that's the control signal which is equal to 1. So the master is enabled and the state of the master is transferred to the slave as well as it is transferred to the, what I can say, the output of the flip-flop at the end of the pulse period, right? This is what is that. So when your S and R is 0 0 and what I can say your clock is high, S and R is 0 0 and ನಿಮ್ಮ clock high ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, your output will be Q and Q bar. And if your S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1 and your clock is, what I can say, the high, so what is that going to happen is that, so here it is 0 and 1 and this is what I can say, it is your 1 and 0 and your clock is high, once again it is 1 and 0. For 1 and 1 it is undefined, and for X and X, that is any input of S and R, and if your clock is 0, so then your output will be Q and Q bar. Okay, so now let's learn with respect to this particular diagram, right? So see here you can see that the two logic symbols for the master slave SR flip-flop are given in the figure 6.12d. This particular symbol called the postponed output indicator at the output terminal is used to imply that the output change is postponed until the end of the pulse period. So for the master slave flip-flop of figure 6.12a, this corresponds to the time when the control signal goes from high to low. So ನಿಮ್ಮ control signal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, postponed output indicator ಅಂತ ಒಂದು symbol ಇದೆ at the output terminal, that is used to imply that the output change is postponed until the end of the pulse period. Output change ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, that is getting postponed until the end of the pulse period. So end of the pulse period ತನಕ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಪೋನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಪೋನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಎಸ್ ಆಫ್ flip-flop pulse, it is at the transition state from 1 to 0. That is already given here. You can see that for the master slave flip-flop of figure 6.128, this corresponds to time when the control signal goes from high to low, that is transition from 1 to 0. Okay. Also, as in the case of latches, bubble notation is used to indicate the complementary output Q bar of the flip-flop and the second logic symbol is shown, right? So this is what is that, and figure 6.13 shows the timing diagram. So timing diagram ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ this is what I can say this one, that is the postponed output indicator. This is what I can say. This is what I can say, the postponed output indicator, right? This is what I can say, the postponed output indicator. So this is what is given like this, and this postponed output indicator is nothing but what I can say, the output will be postponed till the end of the your output will be postponed, that is until the end of the pulse period, and this happens to take place when there is what I can say the when there is what I can say the this one, which one, that is the transition from 1 to 0. Okay, hope you got all the points in clear manner, and please do make sure that you just like, share and subscribe and share it to many more who are in need, and please do press the bell icon to get more and more updates on our channel anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ I just wind up this session, and tomorrow we are going to meet up with the timing diagram, how to write timing diagram in general anta ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ thank you.